Hey, what's happening, y'all?
What's going on?
Y'all, Sean, and your name? Finley. And
Mike.
all right. So this is going on archives, you know. So I'm putting in the description box Comic Con 2019. I hope y'all can find it though, but this will be a no title one. Unfortunately for that, unless I put it in the best of the Domino 7 show, I mix and randomness with whatever episode I'll do. Okay. So y'all was here last year?
No, first year here.
Oh wow! I hope y'all be here next year.
Yeah, hopefully. I love the city so far.
Y'all like the city?
Yeah.
It's good to visit though.
Yeah, I love the city right now.
All right. So everybody. Well, anyway, let me stop this tape. All right. So whatever I'm about to say, y'all selling markers too?
No, those are me from the draw for. We do have that out though.
Okay. All right. Any means necessary.
Yep.
Any means necessary. These y'all too, huh?
Yep. And now Finn. Yeah.
Well, why you not featured on there?
Well, we didn't get his picture in time. We didn't get my picture in time. Yeah.
Oh, shame on you.
We're waiting for his headshot.
Next postcard, we got it.
Okay. All right. So make sure y'all check out my shows on YouTube. Yeah.
All right.
Will do.
All righty.